Alright, my friend, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to share about the walkthrough in the Metasploit introduction that drive me. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is an introduction to the main components of the Metasploit framework. Yes, you can get started to the task number 1, Introduction to Metasploit. Metasploit is the most widely used exploitation framework. Metasploit is a powerful tool that can support all phases of a penetration testing engagement, from information gathering to post-exploitation. Metasploit has two main versions: Metasploit Pro, the commercial version that facilitates the automation and management of tests, then Metasploit Framework, the open source version that works from the command line. This room will focus on this version, that on the attack box, and most commonly used penetration testing Linux distribution. Yes, the main component of the Metasploit framework can be summarized as follows: MSF console, the main command line interface, then modules, supporting modules such as exploit scanner, payload, other tools, standalone tool that will help vulnerability research, vulnerability assessment, or penetration testing. Some of these tools are MSF Phenom, Pattern Create, and Pattern Offset. We will cover MS Phenom within this module, but Pattern Create and Pattern Offset are tools useful in exploit development, which is beyond the scope of this module. Yes, in this task, we don't need to answer the question. Let's go ahead. Then you can get to task number 2. While using Metasploit framework, we will primarily interact with the Metasploit console and launch it from the attack terminal using the console command. Before diving into model, it would be helpful to clarify a few recurring concepts: vulnerability, exploit, and payload. Exploit is a piece of code that uses a vulnerability present on the target system. Then vulnerability is design, coding, or logic flaw affecting the target system. Then the payload is an exploit will take advantage of a vulnerability. Yes, modules and category under each one are listed below. These are given for reference purpose, but you will interact with them through the Metasploit console or MSF console. This video you can try. First, we can run the VPN. Yes, you have run the VPN of TrackMe, then you can run the MSF console. This is starting with the Metasploit console. We have on this. Then this is the some modules. This is auxiliary with 20 directories. Then encoders, where you then code the exploit and payload in the hope that a signature-based antivirus solution may miss them. This is 10 directories, and then evasion. Evasion is one directory with 9 files, and then exploit. Exploit neatly organized by target system. Yes, you can read further. There is 20 directories, and then NOPS. Yes, NOPS is no operation, do nothing. Literally, they are represented in the Intel x86 CPU family with 0x90, following which the CPU will do nothing for one cycle. They are often used as a buffer to achieve consistent payload size. Yes, and then the pilots. Pilots are codes that will run on the target system. This is pilot. We'll see four different directories under pilot is adapter, Shinjo, stacker, and stage. Metasploit is a subtle way to help you identify single, also called inline, pilot, and stage pilots. This generic shell reverse TCP and Windows x64 shell reverse TCP. For reverse Windows shell, the former is an inline or single pilot as indicated by the between shell and reverse, while the latter is a test stage pilot as indicated by the slash between shell and reverse post. Post module will be useful on the final stage of the penetration testing process listed above, at post exploitation. Hmm, I'm going to answer the question. Alright. Yes. What is the name of the code taking advantage of a flaw on the target system? This is exploit. Sorry. Exploit typo. Then what is the name of the code that runs on the target system to achieve the attacker goals? We can answer pilot. Then what are self-contained payloads called? This must be symbols. Then is Windows/64 slash ping reverse TCP more single or stage payload. This is symbols. Yes, we start in the message console. As previously mentioned, the console will be your main interface to the Metasploit framework. You can launch it using the message console command on your attack work terminal or any system the Metasploit framework is installed on. You can run with this. I'm sorry. Nah, this. You can run with ls to start searching. In support machine command and clear to clear a screen that will not allow you to use some feature of your command line. It does not support output redirection as in below. You can try the help set. Yes, this is the help. We set search option name value. Set given option to value. If value is submitted, print the current value. If both are omitted, print option that are currently set. Option is clear, keep for global, have for help. Then you can use the history command to see command you have typed earlier. History, this command is like a normal command in the terminal. Search, this is my history. When I use Metasploit, an important feature of my MSF console is the support of tab completion. This will come in handy later when using Metasploit command or dealing with modules. For example, if you start typing hey and press the tab key, you will see it autocomplete to help. As console is managed by context. This is blah 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 host. We have set parameters such as host. If we will to switch to another modules, Example, port scanner, we would need to set the host value again as all changes we have made remain in the context of the MS 2017-010 and exploit. Once you type use exploit Windows CMS 17.010 dan command, you will see the command line prompt change from MSF6 to SMS6 exploit Windows CMB and then that's other. The number is an exploit allegedly developed by the US National Security Agency NSA for a vulnerability affecting the SMBv1 server on numerous Windows systems. Maybe you can try to run this script. Alright. Enter no pilot configure defaulting to Windows 664 better reverse TCP. But this command is successful because change to exploit. As well the prompt message, you will notice we can still run the commands previously mentioned. This means we did not enter a folder as you would typically expect in an operating system command line. We can try to run this, then we just get into the default folder. This prompt tells us we now have a context set in which we will work. You can see this by typing the show option command. Yes, you can try show options. Enter is my option, exploit Windows MB with host, airport, SM domain, SMB pass, SMB user, verify and verify target. Like this, you can try and can read. Then, yes. This will print option related to the exploit we have chosen earlier. The show option command will have different output depending on the context is using. Yes, when you have the different module, this will have the difference. Show command can be used in any content followed by a module type auxiliary payload exploit as a list variable module. The example below lists payload that can be used with the 17.010 exploit. Okay, so you can try to show payload. This is the payload. There's so many payload in here because the purpose is to exploit. Generic custom is correct. Payload generic custom. Is from the show console from the show command release our module. We use and show option command we have seen so far and tell of our module in the source file. You can leave the context using the back command. Back is to not use the module. We'll be back. Full information on any module can be obtained by typing info command with this context. Yes, we can start in from sorry. The flag G will print the data in JSON format. KD will show the Markdown version with the browser. Alright. Info and then wow. Then we can shorts ms1. This can be copy. We can try to run search. I found so many in this description. Okay, we will now interact with the module by name or index, for example, use for or uses by Windows, assembly, double post, resi. The output of the search command provides an overview of its return module. You may notice the name column already gives more information than just the module name. You can see the type of module, auxiliary, exploit installer, and the category of the module, scanner, admin, Windows, Unique installer. You can use any module return in search result with the command used followed by the number at the beginning of the result line. Yes, ranking, short ranking, grid ranking, code ranking, normal ranking, average, low, and manual. The search GitHub Rabbit 7 was from work. You can direct the search function using keywords type and platform. For example, if you want to parser result only include auxiliary modules, we could set type to auxiliary. Screenshot below show the output of the sort type of the return command. You can try to run this code. Alright, sort type auxiliary return. Yes, we found so many. S15 record that show and then interact with the module by name or index. For example, use 13 or using server capture telnet. Then we try to answer to the answer. How would you search for a module related to Apache? Simple. The command is search and then search Apache. We provide the storage scanner SSH login. We might need to get some study and some search. Info. Yes. because we just want to know the provided is provided to DB. Maybe we can manual type. Yes, alright. And then task number 4, working with modules. You can launch the target machine attached to this room to replicate the example shown below. And let us wait for version 5 or 6. You'll have menus and screens similar to the shown here, so you can use the textbook or any operating system installed on your local computer. Then you can look all parameters are set using the same command syntax. Set parameter and value. Use the meta operator prompt, and then the shell and target system. Pilot, try pilot, that's errors option command release of parameter. As you can see in the screenshot above, some of these parameters require value for the exploit to work. In this example, we will now set the host parameter the IP address of our target system using the set command. You can set a host to whatever you love. Once you have set the parameter, you can use the show option command to check the value is set correctly. Parameter will often use RR host, remote host, airport, remote port, pilot. You will use this with the exploit host, localhost, airport, local port, and then session its connection. Establish the target system using Metasploit will have a session ID. When override any set, when addressing set command again with a different value, you can also clear any parameter for using the unset command or clear all set parameter with the unset all command. User host, airport, assembly domain, pass, user, verb arc, and verb target. Exploit target, as you can run this use force. Can use the set command. Can use the set command to set value that will be used for our model. And then so many. My friend set command sets global value that will be used until you exit Metasploit or clear it using the unset g command using module. We can try to using module. Firstly, we need to use this module. how to run this.